Hey guys, welcome to Traders Mainstream. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple London continuation trading strategy. In this trading strategy, you are going to learn a powerful trading continuation trading strategy, like I said, and London continuation trading zone to look for entry, and how to time your London continuation trading strategy, and a secret session timing. So, however, let's get to our chart. So this video, I'm not going to share pick anything on this video. I'm going to show you exactly how the strategy work. So however, in my previous video, I talk about the secret of Larian's trading strategy. So in this video, you are going to learn a powerful trading strategy which is called the London continuation trading strategy. So before further ado, let's get started. So before we look at a London continuation trading strategy, we have to have two things in mind. The two things in mind is that what type of a trader are you? Are you trading inside the previous day continuation, or you are trading outside the previous day continuation? So if you are a trader, you have to know what trading you are, what type of trading strategy you are looking for, and what type of trading strategy you are going to be using. So however, I have so many other trading strategy which I'm using to trade in the market, but the simplest of them all is the London continuation trading strategy. So it's very simple and very precise. So when we talk about London continuation trading strategy, we are actually looking at two things in mind. The two things in mind is that where is the swing we are trading from? So if you are trading a London continuation trading strategy, you need to understand the swing you are going to be trading from is going to be from 8 a.m. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York or session zone. So if you are trading, you're going to be looking from the trading strategy of 8 a.m. swing from the previous day, and you are going to be looking for a simple way to enter at this point when price pull back into this the 8 a.m. swing zone. So if you look at this trading strategy, this trading, you notice that this trading chart, if you look at this trading chart, you notice that when price pull back to this hour, the 5 a.m. in, like I said in my previous video, which is called the swing, the how to mark our short-term swing high correctly. So when price pull back into this place, what do you notice? It created the 8 a.m. It was 8 a.m. of the previous day. And remember, our time is the 5, which is minus 5 EST on our chart. So when price pull back, what do you do at this point? You just simply look for a way to look for a simple look for 15-minute Gothic candlestick, or look for 5 minute structure shift, and you just take your trade at this point. You can target at least 3 to 1 arrow, depends on your choice. You can just decide to look at where to look for previous swing swing low, and look for a way to cover up your short scenario. So remember, that is how it is. Look at it, it's just 3 to 1 arrow. So look at this one also determines the look at it, price created this short-term swing high at this point, and it happens between the 8 a.m. EST. So this is the Euro USD JPY. What happened? Price pulled back at this point, and when price pulled back at this point, it was a 7 a.m. EST, which is called um February 12. So it pulled back at the 8 a.m. EST. Look at it. Do you see how the upgrade trends matches what we are talking about? So look at this one also. This price model also create 8 a.m. and 10 EST, which is the swing high. What happened? Price pull back to this point, and you just look at look at a simple way to look for 15 minutes engulfing candlestick, or just look at 15 minutes market structure shift anyway, and you just look for 3 to 1 arrow. It's got it at this point. So that is it. Look at what the market is doing now, it's just consolidating. So the market is just consolidating, and that is how we trade this London continuation trading strategy. So it's very simple and very precise. So let's quickly look at other of our pairs and see how this trading strategy works. So however, I'm not going to share pick this thing. I'm going to show you on the live chart. Look at what I'm saying. It was still this range. It was still this range, and which is the framing of the order block at that point. So price created structure shifts, a break of market structure. Look at price to back to this, and it was this range. Look at it. What I'm saying. So if you haven't watched my previous video where I talk about the short-term swing highs and lows, go and watch that. You understand what I'm trying to say now. So remember this short-term swing low, pull back to the short-term swing low. So it matches at this point, and look at what happened. Price just move upward. So that's what I'm saying. So look at this also. This was 80 swing swing low, which is the 10 a.m. swing low of the EST. However, when price pulled back, there was not engulfing candlestick at this point. Look at it. It was even late. No trading strategy. I could not be able to take this trading strategy. I could not be able to take this setup. So you understand what I'm saying? So what happened? Price move upward and slash down. So so many other aspects of it, and that what happened. Price create. I won't have take this trade because I didn't see my New York continuation string has been created. Let's look at other trading example. It was a trading example, and one thing I will always advise you to know is that when you are looking at the AUD and the USD, so we have what is called essential timings, which I'm not going to talk about. So uh in this video, I'm going to talk about it maybe in my next video if you comment on this video. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. If you notice that Euro USD and the USD controls the market. So the Euro USD opens at 7 a.m. In their time zone. So the everything begins at 9 o'clock at their time zones, and you understand what I'm trying to say. So what happened at this point? Look, this is what I'm trying to make you understand. The everything have to look for the previous day New York session. So once you're breaking look for the previous day New York session, you have to be very careful and look for a way to enter at that point. Price pull back at this point, you just need to buy. You don't just have to wait. You just look to buy immediately. Look at what happened. It moves upward. Look at the same thing also applies to this. It was 2 a.m. EST, and look at what I'm talking about. This was 3 a.m. 3 a.m. EST, which is the London setup. And look at what happens. Price pull back at this swing. So if you are going to be looking for a way to buy, you are going to be looking for when the it's you're going to be looking for when the 3 a.m. EST swing of the previous day. So you are going to be marking it, and also be marking 8 EST. So this is where you are going to be looking for a buying from the previous day. So if you buy from this swing, believe me, you are a profitable trader. I'm going to say it, you are a profitable trader. But if you want to use the new day swing, that is for a scalping scenario, and I won't advise that. So I would just advise you to stick to the previous day swing. Imagine price pull back to this swing high of the uh 3 a.m. EST. What happened? Price moves downward, and it cuts this swing low to create a lower low. So same thing also applies to what I'm trying to say. In So same thing also applies. Look at this now. The same thing also applies. When price take out this, remember it was from this place that this was a liquidity was taken, and I think if you are going to be looking for a short narrow, I think this swing low would have been the best option. Having it compared to with the AVG. So that is just really it. And look at what I'm saying. Also, look at it. Why did price take out this swing high? It pulled back into the ATM yesterday. So this is what I'm trying to say. If you are going to be looking at this trade, just just um just relax that. Just know that you are going to be a profitable trader if you can be able to take this setup. And that is the secret I have for London continuation trading strategy. But however, what I will always advise you is that you are not going to be looking for everyday trading strategy, everyday setup. However, sometimes it plays, sometimes it does not play. Look at what I'm trying to say now. Look at it. It also applies to this today. What happened? Rejection comes in and price was consolidating before the next day, and price was trying to obey the 9 a.m. and EST. So if you really enjoyed this video, I want you to like and subscribe to Traders Stream. I'm going to be sharing more tips on my next video as well. Thank you. Have a blessed day. God bless. Happy trading.